Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make another easy crochet stitch pattern, and I'm going to use my acrylic yarn and my 6mm crochet hook. So let's get started. Our stitch pattern calls for a multiple of 2 and add 3 at the end. So whatever project you're doing, make your foundation chain in multiples of 2, and at the end of your foundation chain you add 3 more chains. So I have made my foundation chain, and we're going to start our first row on the 3rd chain from the hoop. The loop on our hoop doesn't count as a stitch, so we're going to start from here, 1, 2, and 3. And on this 3rd chain, we're going to make our first half double crochet. So you yarn over, insert your hook on the 3rd chain. You're going to yarn over and grab a loop. You're going to pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So now we have made our first half double crochet. Now we're going to skip 1, and on the next chain we're going to make 2 half double crochets. On the next chain, skipping that chain, on the next one, going to repeat 2 half double crochets. So that will be our repeat for the entire first row, skipping 1 chain, and on the next chain make your half double crochet and make another one for a total of 2 half double crochets. Skip 1 chain, make your 2 half double crochets on the next. Again, skip 1 chain, to end our row. We're going to skip this chain and make 2 half double crochets on our last chain. You also have the option to change color. If you're going to change color at the end before you finish your half double crochet, you can grab your next color and finish your half double crochet with the next color. So now we're not going to change color at this time. We're going to make use of our yarn to move up with our 2nd row, chain 2, and turn your work. Our chain 2 will be counted as a half double crochet, so we're going to make use of the next stitch. Not this stitch, but the 2nd one. Make 2 half double crochets, skip 1 chain, 1 half double crochet on the next chain, we're going to skip another. So this is just a 1 row repeat pattern. Very easy to make use of this stitch pattern if you're going to make some big projects like baby blankets, afghan, or a lapghan, because it's just 1 row repeat pattern. So again, skip one chain and 2 half double crochet on the next chain. Skip one chain, just like what we did on our first row. Again, skip one chain, 2 half double crochet in the next chain. We're going to skip this chain and we have our turning chain here. We're going to make 2 half double crochet on our turning chain. So this is the repeat for our stitch pattern. So chain 2, we're going to skip this first chain because our chain 2 will be counted as a half double crochet. So we're going to start on the next chain, make 2 half double crochet. So just repeat, skipping one chain and so just repeat rows 1 and 2, skipping one chain and 2 half double crochet on the next chain, and on our turning chain we're going to make 2 half double crochets. So again, so this is a very easy stitch pattern, like I said. I hope you learned a thing or two for our today's tutorial. Happy crocheting everyone, and God bless!